Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna have a busy day, but first I have to wake up. I think coffee's in order. Come along. Before I head to San Diego, I'm gonna pick up my aunt and we're gonna go eat Mexican food at this little market. I'm so excited. I haven't been there in like 15 years. I can't wait. I am crossing the border and on my way home, and I've been sitting here for almost 2 hours. Let me show you what this looks like. I am super excited because Jameson is on his way and he should be past Vegas right now. I'm so excited. We're gonna get our stuff soon and get this house going. However, I feel like a trip to the Dollar Tree, so come with me. Okay, so I just got to the new house and it's empty. There's no furniture in here, which I'm kind of excited because it's a clean slate. Just making sure everything's in order for us to receive our furniture. Jameson said he is about 3 hours away, so I'm gonna escape to the Dollar Tree and see what's out there. You know I'm itching. You guys, little fact known, is that how you say it? Little known fact is I absolutely love the Dollar Tree, and guess what? It's only 2 miles away from my house. I'm so excited. Let's go see what's inside. My favorite area, the florals. I already have so many ideas. Because I promised Jameson I would not buy things that I would need, and this is making it really difficult. For a successful trip, I will show you guys later on what I bought. I bought some florals and other things to make a wreath, but you'll have to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. Bye. Alright, you guys, I hope you had fun watching this video. I just want to leave you with this. If you don't follow me on my social media, I really recommend you do, because as I get ready to decorate this house, I'm gonna need your help, and I'm gonna be asking where to place furniture and art decorations and all of those things here on my channel. So please be sure to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram and be part of the decorating of this house. You know that us people with not a big budget can also have a beautiful home, and want to show you how to do that. So follow me on my social media so you can also be involved in the decorating of my new house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye.